Hey guys, welcome back, and hello if you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're new, be sure to hit that subscribe button to become part of my fam. I would love to have you. Today's video, I'm super excited because we're gonna be doing a fall makeup look. It is officially fall, and I'm very, very excited. So if you're interested on seeing some fall makeup, let's go ahead and hop right on in. All right guys, so to go ahead and start off this look, we're gonna start off with the skin first. We're gonna go ahead and do a little skin sesh, and this video is in partnership with Clinique, and you guys know, Clinique has been a brand I've been using for forever. Their skincare is definitely one that's a ride or die for me, so I'm very excited to do this video. The first product I'm actually gonna use is this right here to go ahead and exfoliate up my skin. This will be my first step. This is the Clinique Clarifying Lotion, and mine is in the number 2, based off of your skin type. So this says mine is a dry combination. Now, as far as my actual skin type, I have more normal to combination skin. Basically just gonna help give my skin some glow, take away some dead skin, and just give it a little nice exfoliation. I'm just gonna put a little bit on a cotton pad, and I've been using this for forever. I'm so in love with it. It makes my skin so smooth. It really does exfoliate the skin, so it's super soft, not harsh at all. So I will use that product in like skincare routine, like morning and night, even before makeup, because you actually get off any extra, like anything that was on your skin and you don't even know is there. It does remove it and gets it all prepped for our makeup. So you don't have to just do that step like morning, nighttime. You can do it right before your makeup and your skin is all fresh. It makes my skin feel so good, like I just washed my face, even though we're just like lightly exfoliating, so it's awesome. Next up for moisturizer, I'm going in with the Clinique ID. Now this is a custom moisturizer. You're able to customize it to your skin needs, which is so incredible to me. Basically what you do is you pick a base that will go first. So it's either a gel or a lotion. And then you're able to go ahead and choose a cartridge, which is based upon your skin needs. It kind of has all of that goodness in there. There are different cartridges that you're able to choose from for your skin needs. So I did go with this blue one, which is gonna go ahead and help uneven texture. Their yellow lotion, which is the dramatically different lotion, that's right here, has helped my skin so much. So the fact that there's also an active cartridge to go ahead and help actual texture on the skin, I feel like is just insane, and it just gives the perfect hydration. So once you go ahead and choose your base and the cartridge, you just go ahead and insert it like so. You basically just push it in, twist it, and then you are good to go. So you are able to build this in store and online, and it is $39 for it all together, which I think is such a good deal. They just kind of mesh together and are infused together, both the active ingredients and the hydrator. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this into my skin. So for me personally, I have normal to combination skin, like I said earlier. So this is perfect for me because I get the hydration that I need from the dramatically different lotion, which I love because I feel like that makes my skin super silky, hydrated, soft, plump. So the AHAs works to retexturize and illuminate skin for a visible improvement in the texture. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this everywhere. I love the way it feels on my skin. It's just super beautiful. That's the Clinique ID. You can definitely pick it up in store, but you can also get it on Clinique's website. I will have it linked below for you guys, so you can check there in the description. Highly recommend this. Like, yes, girl, your skin's gonna thank you. I'm obsessed. So once I have that on, we're gonna hop right into the face today. Starting off with a primer, I'm going with Milk Makeup Hydro Primer. I'm gonna go ahead and pump a little bit on my fingers and blend it in lightly right here. I'm just gonna use patting motions to apply. For foundation today, I'm going in with Too Faced Born This Way foundation. And this one's in the color Natural Beige. I'm so obsessed with this. I'm gonna apply this all over my skin. My beauty blender's a little dirty right now, don't worry. So I'm just gonna continue blending this out everywhere, but you can even see, like literally underneath the foundation, my skin still appearing that nice glow and hydrated look. Oh, obsessed. That moisturizer is also gonna be amazing for the winter time when my skin is at its driest, because I do have the combo skin. I feel like I'm not dry now at all, but once, you know, that month hits, that's when my skin does kind of change up a little bit. So I feel like it's gonna be like ultra amazing then too. For concealer, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light Medium and just put a little here. Also gonna mix another concealer with it. A little bit of the L'Oreal Full Wear. For powder, I'm going with the Becca Hydro Mist Powder. I'm obsessed with this powder, you guys. If you have not tried it, you need to try it. It's so, so good. Such a flawless finish. Oh. To go ahead and bronze the skin, I'm taking Wet n Wild bronzer. This one is called Sunset Strip Tease. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit to the cheekbone area. I don't even know what look I'm really gonna go for today. This does have a little bit of a shimmer to it as well, so I'm just gonna dust it lightly, and if I have to add a little more, I will add another bronzer, but I don't really know fully exactly what look I'm gonna do for the eyes just yet. Take a little bit of Too Faced Born This Way multi-use concealer in the color Vanilla. I'm just gonna go ahead and prime up my lids a little bit. So I'm gonna start off with this Cargo Cosmetics Nude Beach Eyeshadow Palette. Start off with this color right over here to kind of set down my eyes just a little. Then I'm gonna hop into this color right over here, which is a nice light brown shade. I'm gonna put that into the crease, a little bit on the upper crease actually, just to switch this from inner to outer, and I'll bring it past my tail of my brow as well. I'm gonna go in with Covergirl. This is the Revolution eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna go in with this shade right over here, which is called Ruthless. It's a nice, like, bricky kind of color. And I'm gonna really run that in the same area, just back and forth. Circular motions. I'm gonna keep building up this color to my desired look with a cleaner brush, just kind of fading it into the brow as well, so everything is just nicely ombreed. Any leftover can go under here. Then I'm gonna take the color Dare, which is the last shade at the very end, a little bit deeper, and pop that into the outer corner of the eye. Just blending it out. Lightly blending it into it as well, but mainly keeping it into the outer section. And I'm gonna go back in with that color again, Ruthless, and kind of just go over it right over here. Taking the shade Commotion, coppery shimmer, I'm gonna go ahead and put that on the middle of the lid. Then I'm gonna go ahead and hop into the Profusion Mirage palette. I'm gonna go ahead and take this little orangey copper right here from the inner corner into the middle. Blend on top of that so it doesn't have a harsh line there, and it's blended. Deeper brown shade at the end, and just kind of go over top of what we did before at the outer corners, just so we have a little bit more of a deeper shade happening. And then I'm also going to be bringing that in like so. And I'm going to hop into this highlighter right now from Physicians Formula. This is the Rose All Day Petal Glow in the color Freshly Picked. Such a beautiful highlight. My inner corner a little bit on the brow bone as well. I'm gonna spritz on my face using the Too Faced Hangover Spray. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that highlighter again, but now do my cheekbones. Beautiful. Oh my God, this is a stunning highlighter. I'm gonna go in with that deeper brown shade in that Mirage palette and apply that with a brush right on the lower lash line area. I'm gonna then take my finger, other shade right here in the Profusion palette, and I'm just going to tap that on top of the other shade we laid down, right next to that orange. Alright guys, so I just went ahead and put on some lashes. I used Salon Perfect 614s, and now I'm gonna go in with some mascara. L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. Mascara, one of my favorite mascaras ever. So good. I'm gonna coat the false lashes with mine. Then I'm gonna take a tiny bit and put it on my lower lashes. Just a little bit. For my lips, I'm going in with the color from Smashbox. This is the shade Stay Neutral. It's their liquid lip. I'm gonna go ahead and spritz up my face using Milani Make It Dewy Mist, just to give a little extra glow. So once I've done that, that pretty much wraps up this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Maybe found it a little bit helpful. I will have all these products that I used in today's video listed below for you guys in the description. And I cannot wait to do more fall looks for you guys. This seriously just put me in such the fall mood. I'm obsessed. So I believe that is all for this video. I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.